Today I am going to try and do the rear discs on the Mrs. Citroen C3. They've been an advisory on the MOT for 2 years now, and I haven't wanted to touch them because the bearings are on the back. Now, I've seen a couple of videos online where people undo the centre bolt and the brake disc falls off with the bearing and all attached. Very nice. I've seen other ones where people have had blow torches, pullers, spark hammers, you name it, and they don't want to budge. So let's have a go. Hopefully it's gonna be easy. Right, so we're going to remove the caliper, get the caliper out of the way, and then we're going to tap the screwdriver into this, pop this cap off, undo the centre nut, hopefully, and see where we end up. See, I can't find a punch sound. That was right there. See if we can pop her out. Yes. Boy 36 and all that. I got ever so slightly carried away. I had to get Liam out to put his foot on there whilst we got a big thing out. But believe it or not, she fell off.
Happy days.
Hooray!
What we doing here, man?
Cleaning the half shaft up. The stub axle. Clean some of this crap off and put the new ones on. This has had a life. So yeah, just gonna get a drill, clean all this up a bit with the old wire wheel. Slap a bit of grease on the stub axle, get a bit of lube on there. A moment of truth then, let's slide her on, Liam. Got the apprentice out. Oh no, it don't fit. Hey, look at that, do that again. Give it a big oh, that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Alright, so because we had a shallow nut and quite a deep socket, we had to adapt and overcome, which is why I got the apprentice out in the first place. So this is what we've come up with. Go, Captain.
I got it.
Whoa! One more?
Yeah. Oh.
You on? Yeah. That's tight.
Yeah.
There we have it. Build the brakes back up. Right, so disc is on, carrier's on, pads are in. I'm just gonna wind the piston back. I've got half a wind back tool, so I'm not even gonna film myself being stupid trying to use half a wind back tool. But yeah, I fighted with the half a wind back tool, wind the caliper back, put it all back together, and that is one side done. I was absolutely dreading doing this. I had absolutely no hope of it coming off whatsoever, and it fell off, so give it a go. What have you got to lose? I had a good time. Good times there to be had.